Bowers Forest Products is located nestled in the trees near Beaver Creek, Oregon. A small but thriving company with a history of success through hard work and the ability to design and manufacture wood products. Let's take a quick tour. Jeff and Cheryl Bowers founded Bowers Forest Products in 1999 after discovering a need in lumber remanufacturing. Over the past 20 years, Bowers Forest Products has grown to 85 employees, distributing wood products across the United States. In the fall of 2019, Bowers Forest Products acquired the Woodway products line from Lattice of Oregon. This product line was a great fit for the other products Bowers Forest Products already produced. The products produced now includes tile battens, nursery boxes, pre-cut truss blocks, furring strips, garden trellis, privacy screens, lattice panels, fence toppers, post caps, deck balusters. The species of wood to make these products are Douglas fir, hemlock, cedar, redwood, and mahogany. The Bowers name is well known and respected in the Northwest, as is Woodway products line, developed over 30 years ago, is well known for the highest quality lattice in the industry. With a reliable name like Woodway, along with the best quality around, Bowers Forest Products is excited to expand the line to larger distribution channels. Bowers Forest Products' main goal is to fulfill the desires of homeowners and contractors across the United States. Garden centers, lumber yards, and home improvement centers continue to carry an inventory of these highly desired pieces, handmade here in Oregon. Jeff Bowers took a moment to talk with us and explain the intricacies of the remanufacturing process.
Bowers Forest Products is a lumber remanufacturing facility, and we specialize in high-end specialty wood products. Some of the products are lattice panels, vent blocks, and truss blocks for the wooden truss industry. We do some deck components like decorative post caps, deck balusters, handrails, garden trellis, garden arbors. Most of our material is coming from the Pacific Northwest. We do bring some from Canada, mostly Oregon and Washington though, and a little bit from the inland. Typically we'll have 10 to 20 trucks through in a day. Some days obviously are a lot busier than others. It's about a 50-50 split between inbound trucks bringing in raw materials and outbound trucks taking finished product out.
So, how are you handling the current production demands and materials?
As a specialty lumber manufacturing company, our demand is high right now. There's a lot of retail consumption for people looking for high-end retail products, so we've had a lot of demand lately. We're trying to utilize every piece of wood that comes in here, and even products that are a downfall from one product, we try to develop that downfall piece into another finished product for something else, so we can keep as much material out of the waste as we can. The lumber industry needs to stay clean like that, so it's accepted by the general public.
How do you come up with these ideas?
We take ideas from people. We try to listen to what the industry is asking for, what the retail side is asking for, and what our distributors are asking for, and build on that. That's part of the forward thinking that we do when we're developing new products or improving products, is asking the customers what they want, building prototypes, building samples, doing test marketing.
Is there anything new? Are there any changes you see in trends?
We've got one line that we're concentrating on that's going into the retail side, and it's a term that's been coined, vertical gardening. The retail side is asking for that, and that's going for backyards. A lot of people are spending more time in their backyards now, and a lot of people are wanting to garden now, so we're working on a line of products that's gonna fit into that market where people can do gardening in their backyard and do it in a smaller space.
What kind of growth has occurred in the last few years?
I'm pleased with the size of the company. We've grown a lot this last year. We made the acquisition a year and a half ago, and basically the company's doubled in size in the last year. It's a lot of growth to manage in a year, so I'm pleased with where it's at right now.
Do you have expectations for the next decade?
In the next 10 years, I see the company continuing to grow. One thing that we're leaning towards is more automation. The automation will help us get more production through this facility. The automation isn't intended to replace workers, it's intended to increase our production. We've got a good solid base of employees right now, about 85 employees.
Is there anything you look forward to with Bowers Forest Products?
Yeah, I look forward to continuing to grow the company and creating more jobs. That's one thing that I get a lot of satisfaction out of is keeping people working and creating jobs.
And finally, is there anything you'd like to add to the conversation?
I want to thank all of our customers that we have and all of our suppliers. It's been a lot of fun building this company. We've got some great suppliers, we've got some great customers, and this last year with COVID and with going through the acquisition, it's been a challenging year. And our customers and our suppliers have stuck with us really well, and we really appreciate that.
For more information, contact Bowers Forest Products, P.O. Box 589, Beaver Creek, Oregon 97004, or give us a call at 503-631-4408.